Welcome to Harmony. In this video, we'll explore how you can create and share Harmony dashboards. Dashboards are a way for you to organise Harmony stories and combine them with other contextual items, such as text, images, and embedded content. You can access dashboards through Dashboards in the global menu bar. Dashboards are made up of pages. In the Dashboards area, you can find the dashboard pages that you own and those shared with you. Only creators can create and share a dashboard. If you are the owner of a dashboard page, you can find options to share, download, delete, or create a copy. You can also rename your dashboard page. Let's create a new dashboard. Select the Create New button and give your dashboard page a name. After naming your dashboard, select the Create button. This opens a blank canvas for you to design your dashboard page. When designing a dashboard, think about the key metrics you want to report and how you can combine with other contextual items. At the top right, you will find the Edit icon, which opens the Edit pane. From here, select the container type that you want to add to your dashboard. The chart container allows you to add your previously saved story views. After adding a chart and changing the settings, the following charts added in that session automatically have the same settings applied. You can move, resize and change property settings for each container. Navigation can take you to other dashboard pages in the dashboard, the same page with different filters applied, or to other websites or online applications. Once you are ready, you can share the URL to your dashboard. Only users who have access to the site and data will be able to access the dashboard. The recipient can add to their favourites for easy access in the future. You can also choose to share your dashboard by giving general access to specific users. Users with general access will see the dashboard in the Shared with Me section. The icon shows that they have read-only shared access to the dashboard. You can go one step further and collaborate with selected creator users by giving them owner access to the dashboard page. To give users owner access, drag them into the owner access area in the Share pane and click Share. Users with owner access will see the dashboard in the Owned by Me section. The icon shows that they have read-write owner access. If users also share ownership of the stories that feed the dashboard page, they can also change the views. An alternative way of sharing is to export a dashboard page to PowerPoint. You may also choose to add to a story and share accordingly. We hope you enjoyed learning about Harmony dashboards. Thanks for watching.